Hello friends, English dictation 120 words per minute. Start para. In contrast with classical architecture and its romantic continuity, some bold and contrasting modernist trends gradually of which brutalist architecture is a prominent player. This modern trend germinated not only because of the fresh philosophy propelled by an escape velocity from the state continuum, nor singularly by any sheer novel artist urge, neither as a mere reflection of the remarkable social changes, but also due to and supported by some new materials and new construction techniques. Social changes instigated the new style and technical innovations made it possible. Para, trying to grasp in rather simple manner. Brutalist architecture can be identified by some specific markers. Brutalist architecture was a child of a line of thought that, as per its own interpretation, wished to strip buildings of their unnecessary intricacies, embellishments, superfluous decorations, cover-ups with the employment of multifarious concealing materials and finishing that hide the core structure and basic character of it. Started around 1915. This bold new movement proclaimed and practiced architecture as muscular, simple, undercoated, almost intimidating in its stark and imposing presence. Brutalist architecture is a trend that appeared in Britain while the society was going through the post-war reconstruction process. Brutalist buildings are marked by a sort of minimalist yet voluminous construction that deliberately display the bare building material and structural elements over deceptive manipulations of decorative design. Some reputed journals called brutalism as technical musicians architecture, menacing and stark. Brutalist buildings were and still are perceived as difficult to maintain and demolish. In general, brutalism is architecture is accepted as a specific offshoot of modern architecture. The word brutalism doesn't really come from its harsh aesthetics, but actually from the very material it is made up of, that is, the predominant use of reinforced and plain concrete. Beton brut is basically a French term that means gross cement or raw concrete, and this term is occasionally used to describe the characteristics, looks, identifiable as brutalist architecture. The Swedish phrase nybrutalium was also used to describe this trend. The actual term New Brutalism was first coined by British architects Ellison and Peter Smithson, who had designed some landmark pieces of brutalist architecture. Para. To identify brutalist architecture in a rather conclusive way, we may look for certain basic materials and abstract characteristics in buildings, including simplicity, a feeling of volume, use of minimum materials, no efforts towards superfluous decorations, softening, intricacy, or embellishment, a forceful presence to the tune of being even shocking. At times, a tough and stark look from outside and inside, a sculpture quality, and finally an honest exhibition of materials used and structural system adopted. We may also look for bare, bold, unromantic, non-irritate, non-ornate, simplicity, harness, dominance of straight lines, bare materials, angular massing, lumpy nature, straight cut, aggressive massive, no fuse, and imposing sculptures quality achieved by sheer simple volumes. Stop.